This is the most common problem in IBDP exams you can find. We are given f prime, not f. Students makes mistake while solving these type problems. Now I'll tell you how to solve this one. F prime is known to us and we have to find the value of fx where this f of 2 equals to 5 means this gives you us a particular solution. We don't have to calculate the general solution. We have to find a particular solution. I will tell you what's the difference between these two with this example. See, we are given f prime. We have to integrate this to get the fx. Okay, so if I integrate this f prime x dx, that will give me my fx value. So let's do it. Let's integrate it. We have integration of fx. What is that? This function. It is 6x squared plus 2x minus 1. Now, term by term, we have to integrate it. We will use the formula which is integration of x raised to the power n dx is equals to x raised to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. But remember, n must not be equal to minus 1. The formula is given in your formula booklet as well. So here 6 is constant, so leave it as it is. Integrate x raised to the power 2, that will become x raised to the power 3 over 3. Okay, now for the second term, 2 as it is. For the x part, increase one power. X raised to the power 2 by 2. For the constant number, its integration is x only, so minus as it is. For the 1, its integration is x. Now you have to add plus c also. Why? Because it is indefinite integral. Hence we got a general solution. What is that? Fx is equals to, simplify it further. So 3 times 2 gives you 6. So gives me 2x cubed, 2 cancelled again. So x squared minus x plus c. This is called general solution because it contains an arbitrary constant. This is our general solution. But we need a particular solution. That's why they provided this information. What this means actually, f of 2 equals to 5. It means if I plug in x equals to 2, the value of fx will be equal to 5 in this case. Okay, so here we have fx equals to 2x cube minus 2x cube plus x squared minus x plus c. Plug in x as 2. Basically, I'm using this f of 2 equals to 5 here. So I will get 5 in place of fx equals 2 times 2 cubed plus 2 squared minus 2 plus c. Now we can simplify it for the c. We have to solve this for c. So 5 equals, what is that? 8 times 2, 16 plus 4 minus 2 plus c. On simplifying it, we will get the value of c which comes out as what? 20 minus 2 gives 18, goes to the other side, negative 13. So the value of c is negative 13. This will give you a particular solution. Now plug in this value of c back to the general solution. Therefore, we will get our particular solution as fx equals 2x cubed plus x squared minus x plus or minus 13. This is our particular solution or the final solution to our problem. Some students feel difficulty in applying the concepts to the question. Sometimes they get stuck. So I'm going to tell you how to apply those concepts in the questions. I'll make it very easy for you. So if you are in middle year program, IBDP, MAI, HL, SL, MAA, HL, SL, AP Calculus, ABBC or any engineering math course, feel free to connect with us. You can contact us using this WhatsApp number or you can call us using this. You can also scan this QR code with WhatsApp to get connected with us. You can join our courses with flexible timings and one-on-one or group sessions are available or custom exam preparation where either you can choose for the full year course or few classes for your exam preparation. So scan the code, book your free demo today.